Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily set up and use Bixby Vision on Samsung Galaxy A36. So first, what you guys want to do is head over and click the power button and hold it. Now here, as you guys can see, we are in Bixby. And now what we need to do is teach the Bixby our voice. So what we need to do is click next. Hi Bixby, set an alarm for 7 AM. Hi Bixby, how can I make the battery last longer? Hi Bixby, how can I make the battery last longer? Hi Bixby, raise the volume and play music. And now it should all be configured. So simply click next, click I agree to the collection and processing of my voice prints. Now click start and now try and say hi Bixby. Hi Bixby. As you guys can see, now it's working. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.